Hello and welcome to Autobot YouTube channel. Myself Rahul Krishnan. Today we are going to learn how you can set a specific color to a cell, or how you can get a particular color from an Excel sheet. Okay, so in the forum I have seen a lot of questions regarding this kind of scenarios. Like there can be an Excel which is having different colors based on some conditions, and we want to identify what is the color for each cell. Okay, and based on that we need to do some actions. Okay, so how we can understand like what is the color of that particular cell? For that, UiPath is providing some certain activities for getting the cell color as well as for setting some particular color. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can set the color for a particular range, or how you can get the color of the particular cell. Okay, so for that I'm going to use this particular Excel. I added few names and the job, and based on some condition I'm going to set the color for the particular cell, and after that I will show you how you can get that particular color from the Excel. So first what I'm going to do is, let me use Excel activity. Okay, so this is just a sample demo just to show how this activity is going to work. Okay, so use Excel activity. I'm going to use demo. Okay, then what we have to do? We need to loop through each row, right? So what I'm going to do is, for each Excel row, okay, then what's the range? Range is the fit one, right? So this is the fit one. Then what we have to do? We need to set the color for the particular cell based on the job, right? So suppose just consider, if it is developer, I want to set it as green, and if it is tester, I want to set it as yellow. Manager means maybe some red or some color. Okay, so how we can do? So first let me get the job. So for that I'm going to use an assign activity. So I'm creating a new variable job, and here current row of B, right? Current row of B. I think this should give the job details. Like this should go through each row and it will give the job name. So let me print it over here. Okay, so drag and drop inside the to job. Okay, so we are getting the job here. Then what is the condition? We need to, based on the job type, we need to set the color. So I'm going to use a switch activity. Okay, so based on the job, I need to set the color, right? Go to properties, then set this as a string. Okay, then add a new case. What is the case? It's a developer. Okay, so if the job is developer, then what should be the action? So for that, we need to use set color activity. So let me search for set color activity. Okay, so that is not there. So what you have to do is just go to activities, click on this filter panel. Okay, enable the show class. Okay, then you will be able to see set range color activity. Okay, so just drag and drop that. Here, what is the color that you need to add? For that, system dot drawing dot color dot. If it is a developer, I'm just going to give it like green. Okay, and what should be the range? Range should be B, right? B plus and index dot to string. So what I'm going to do is, let me copy this activity and create more number of cases. Okay, so we have created for developer. Now I'm going to create for tester. Okay, Let me add the same thing and just change the color to yellow. Okay, add a new case, and this is for the last one, manager. Okay, and I'm going to give the color as blue. Okay, and for the default, let me add the same activity and add the color as gray. Okay, so that's it. So we have added different cases, and we have used a set range color to add the color to the Excel cells. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, let me execute this. So it is compiling the activities, then it will update the color of the cells, okay, based on the condition that we have provided. So developer will change to green color, tester will change to yellow, and manager will change to blue. Okay, so you can see it has added the colors based on the condition that we have provided. So now what I'm going to do is, let me see how we can use the get cell color activity to get the color, okay, from the cells. So we have learned how we can set the color to a particular range. So same like that way, how let us learn how we can use the get cell color to get the color of the particular cell. Okay, so let me copy this for each Excel, and in range it's sheet 1. Okay, and let me use get cell color activity. Okay, so what is the cell? Here we have to use P column, right? And color, let me create a variable color code. Okay, and let's go to data manager and see what is the data type of color code. It's type system.drawing.color. Okay, so that's it, and let me use a right line activity, and I'm going to print the color that we are getting from the get cell color activity. Okay, so it should be the color code dot to string. Okay, so that's it. Let me execute. Okay, so we're gonna set the color again, and it's gonna read these colors, and it will print in the outline. Okay, so here we can see the color is green, yellow. So here it is green, yellow, then blue and yellow and green. Okay, so that's how it has read the colors, and it is printing that in the outline. Okay, and just consider, like, if the colors are not accurate, like yellow or green, or if the colors are different shades of green, means it will give that a color contrast. Okay, it will not give the proper color value, but it will give you like what is the range of that color. Okay, so that's how these activities are working, and it will be helpful, like if you're getting some report and you need to action that report based on the color that the team has provided for each cell in the Excel. Okay, so maybe the color may be some products associated with some group, and based on that color you need to do some action. Okay, so instead of adding some case for a list of items, what you can do, for list of those items you can set some color, right? Then you can add the condition only for the color, like if that particular cell is green color, then you have to do this action. Okay, like that way. I hope you're getting. If there is any confusion regarding the usage of this set range color activity and get cell color activity, please do comment in the comment section. And if you find this video useful, please like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.